Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
I will guide you step by step to remove BitLocker from a drive. First, confirm you have administrator rights on the PC and access to the 48-digit recovery key. Next, verify the machine runs Windows 10 or Windows 11 and whether it uses TPM or a USB key for protection. Before making changes, back up all user data to an external drive and create a recovery image. These steps prevent data loss and let you reverse changes if needed. To disable BitLocker, open Control Panel and go to BitLocker Drive Encryption. Select Turn off BitLocker for the C drive and confirm you want to decrypt the drive. Alternatively, open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE off C to start decryption immediately. Monitor the decryption progress until it reaches 100% and the system reports the drive as decrypted. Do not power off the computer during decryption or interrupt the process to avoid corruption. After decryption, remove any saved recovery keys from your Microsoft account and local key storage. If the PC used TPM, clear TPM keys from Security Settings or TPM. MSC while following vendor guidance. To fully remove encryption remnants, open Disk Management, delete the encrypted partition if present, and reformat the drive as NTFS or your preferred file system. Recreate partitions as needed and move your backed up data back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.